supporting you.
What the hell for?
Because I want you to be happy.
That ain't happening.
I'm happy. Look what I got. I know the box is upside down, but you can probably read that. Harvestright.
Into your room.
Oh yeah, go along with all the other crap that you guys don't want.
Or do want, and we just want.
Yeah, we just don't want to store it in our area.
I'm happy.
Well, good for you.
Are you happy?
Oh yeah, can't you tell?
He's broke.
Yeah, he gave me money.
Yeah.
I
No.
love you.
I don't care.
But honey.
No. I ain't like those stupid ass women that are on YouTube.
She didn't take measurements. You didn't have measurements. You didn't know how big it was going to be.
I knew how big it was going to be.
No, she didn't.
I didn't know how heavy it was going to be.
It probably had those specifications too.
It did.
It does.
I just didn't look at
And
them.
it also has the decimals and the noise level, which you don't know how loud it is.
No,
You didn't
you're right.
read
I
enough
don't.
to tell you how loud it
So
was.
what we need now is a stand, right?
What you need, what they say, is you do not put it in your house.
Who says?
I was listening. I saw one of those YouTube people setting it up and everything, and they say it's kind of noisy.
You're kind of noisy.
I should be noisy.
You're very noisy.
This is 20 years of this bullshit. I'm tired of it.
I love you.
Yeah, whatever.
Honey.
That plastic bag over there.
I got that box. I'll just curl her up and strip her back. Strip her back. This is a defective product. That ain't gonna work.
Smile.
No.
You're on candid
You
camera.
never have company for dinner if it's sitting there.
We never have company for dinner anyway. I guess we could put it on that cedar bench.
Well, also, what's the draw on it?
I don't know.
Does it need a...
You're not supposed to draw on it, honey.
What is it, 110? Or
Yeah.
220?
It's a regular house outlet.
110 or 220?
I don't know.
Shit.
What's the difference?
Well, we'll just throw the dryer out.
There must be a booklet.
So we can put her little piece of garbage here in there. We don't need a dryer.
We can hang our clothes
Yeah, that's going
to
to work.
dry.
Put a clothesline up, would you please? From here to
You
there.
can't. Oh,
Yeah, we can do it inside.
Well, hell yeah. Might as well make it look like a hippie commune. I don't care.
She's looking to you for help.
Oh, God. And that's a vacuum pump.
Yeah.
Well, when they run, they don't vibrate or anything. They just sit there and hum.
Oh, that's good.
And you've got it made, Dave.
I'm praying for a heart attack. Or this fucking comet. Oh, sorry.
What kind of comment, honey?
It's like, whichever one comes first, I'll be happy.
All right, well, I guess I better pull the book out.
Oh, God.
Look at something. And there it is. We just got the small one because I looked at the capacities for the bigger ones and there was just too much to do with my little garden. I want to be able to use this for my garden because I prefer a lot of things freeze-dried rather than dehydrated, particularly fruits and that kind of stuff. But anyway, here's what came with it. So it has the pump, of course, the unit and the pump. and I've ordered a table to put it on because it has to be up so you can drain it. And then it's got the connector hose that connects the unit to the filter pump, the electrical cord, and a drain hose. And then here's my 4 trays and an oil filter bucket. It's just like my water filter. I'm sure that the filter is not the same, but it looks just like it. Anyway, that's the oil filter thing. And then it's got these oxygen absorbers, a 50 pack. And I think it's a 50 pack of, a 50 pack of Mylar bags for storing stuff. So I'm quite excited. Oh, and then over there, that's some oil. I guess that's the oil for it. So I guess I'm going to have some reading to do to figure everything out. And it'll be a few days before I actually get to test it because I want to get that table set up for it first. And it's not going to be delivered for, I don't know, a couple weeks. So it has taken some time. We ended up having to get a dedicated circuit put in for a 20 amp circuit that we can use just for the freeze dryer, just to make sure that it doesn't blow out a fuse halfway through. And we had to wait to get that stand for it to sit on. So it's been, I don't know, it's been sitting here for a couple of weeks. But we're finally doing the initial bread run. So we'll see how that goes. So the bread run went as planned, and my bread came out dehydrated, or not dehydrated, freeze-dried, and then got thrown away because you're not supposed to eat it. Apparently the bread run is to kind of pull all of the chemically smells out of the machine before you actually start using it. I have used it a couple of times. Of course, the first thing I did was candy, and it was fabulous. And then I've done some Egyptian walking onions from out of my garden. I did a batch of those, and I just did a batch of carrots, and they also turned out fabulous. And I can't wait to just keep using my harvestright freeze dryer. I'm so excited. I've wanted one for years and years and years and years. And finally, we saved enough that we were able to get it. And yay. So that's my exciting news for this week. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me for a little bit. I left in the parts of Dave complaining and whining and moaning because he always gives me a laugh or two. And the more upset he gets, the funnier he is. I think. He may not think so, but I think so. Anyway, thanks for coming and hanging out with us. I do appreciate you. Hope you had a good time. Hope you'll come back. Hope you had a laugh or two. And I hope that you will take good care of yourself. Bye now.